Hi, I'm Assistant Principal Shelby Cole.
Hello, I'm Assistant Principal Shanika Scott.
Hi there, I'm Adam O'Neill and I'm the principal. I'd like to welcome you to HCGC.
My favorite parts about HCGC is the beautiful landscaping. I love the circular drive. This year, our circular drive is only for scheduled appointments and a few bus pickups. There will be no drop-offs or pickups in the circular drive.
And this is our car rider line, where all of our car rider students, kindergarten through 6th grade, are dropped off and picked up in the mornings and the afternoons. Parents will stay in their vehicles and HCGC staff will assist your child to their classroom.
In the mornings, when students arrive, all 3rd through 6th grade students will enter through this door.
Hey, welcome, come with me. So all of our students in this building are 3rd through 6th grade. 3rd grade and 4th grade are downstairs. 5th grade and 6th grade are upstairs. Let's come check out some of our 3rd grade rooms. Follow me to 4th grade. So this is our 4th grade hallway here. We've got Miss Denny's class, Miss Salter, Miss Pressler, Miss George, and Miss Millsap. Our 6th grade students, when they arrive every day, will actually come up this stairwell here to their classes.
This is our 6th grade hallway, and it's a little bit different. It's split. So we have some of our 6th grade classroom this way. We have Miss Caraway and Miss Smith. And these are our last 2 6th grade classrooms. Miss Gunn and Miss Frazier.
So when our 5th grade students arrive every day, they're going to walk in the door and come right up this stairwell to their classroom.
All 5th grade students will be on this hallway, starting with their homerooms. We have Miss Martin's room, Miss West, and on down the hallway, we have Miss Miller and Miss Ramsey.
When our kindergarten, 1st, and 2nd grade students arrive in the car rider line, follow me and I'll show you exactly where they go. We're going to do a little tour of the K2 building. Once our kindergarten, 1st, and 2nd grade kiddos get out of the car and enter the building, they come to their classroom this way. First, we'll stop by 1st and 2nd grade. That's the first group of classes that we'll come to. All right, we got 2nd grade this way. Let's come check out one of the classes. And here are our 1st grade classes. We'll stop in and check out Miss Doyle and Miss Pate. Hey y'all! building all the way around to the front hallway, which is where our kindergartners are. And our 5 kindergarten classes are on this front hallway. And I know you're probably familiar with our old playground. We also have a new playground this year, and rest assured, every student will have one recess on the old playground and one recess on the new playground.